Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Infinity Fuse 100. So the problem is battery backup and it is not charging at all. So I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of this Infinity Fuse 100. So let me show you the problem first. So let me connect the charger here. Connecting the charger. So you can see red light is blinking here. So it should not blink, it should charge, it should glow completely. You can see here. So alright, now this is the battery problem. So I'm going to pry this top part here to replace the battery. I'm going to show you the steps here. Even battery is for sale here. You can see I have lots of original batteries of Infinity Fuse 100 for sale. So alright, this I am going to use it here. And the battery which is inside, which will be the same battery which I am going to sell here. This is original battery which is very rare to get in any part. So this is available here in Bangalore. So if you want to buy this battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. So alright, let me proceed with tearing this down. So just we have to use some prying tool and take off this top part, so it will come very easily. So that's it. This is locked here using clips. So now there are 8 screws here totally. So I'm going to remove 4 screws now. So the arrow mark is there, 4 sides, that I'm not going to take out. So the screws without arrow mark, so I'm going to take that out so that we can take out this mesh. So alright, let me remove the 4 screws here to take out the mesh. These screws are for mesh, so that is the reason I am taking this out. So the other 4 screws is for the motherboard, the top part. So if you keep watching the video, you will come to know why I have not taken that 4 screws. So it's very easy. Just by the 4 screws has been removed. Now slowly by, so just we have to pull this out. If it is bit difficult for you, then you can use some prying tool here. So slowly by doing like this, it will come. There will be a gap so that you can use your nails and pull the mesh here. So now I have created the gap here, mild gap. So it will be easy for me to take this out. You can see, that's it. So the cover has been removed. So now we have to remove these 4 screws. The reason why I have not removed these 4 screws is while pulling this mesh, the motherboard also will stuck in the grill and it will come out and it will tear the flex cable and other wires which is connected to the motherboard to the bottom. So that is the reason I have not taken the 4 screws which is marked here. Arrow marks are there. Now I am going to remove because the mesh has been removed. So alright, now I am going to take out these 4 screws. So that's it. So the reason, you can see these are connected wires, 3 things are connected. So this is the speaker wire. I am going to slowly remove this because I will have room to work here to replace the battery. So slowly by shaking like this you can take out, otherwise it is glued. You have to clean the glue and take, that is advisable. If you pull directly, this part, the female part of this board will come with this socket, so you may end up breaking this. So it's better to remove this red color glue and then you can pull it, it will come easily. Similarly, I am going to take out this flex cable as well. And now this is the battery socket. So slowly I am going to remove like this. So again it is glued here. So my advice is to remove the glue, then you can pull the socket. Otherwise this socket also will come with this red one, which will break this part which is connected to the motherboard here. So alright, now there is no work in the motherboard. I am going to keep this. So further, battery is positioned at the bottom here. So there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws are inside, which I am going to use with, which I am going to remove this using the same star screwdriver, flip screwdriver. So let me remove that. So this side there is one more screw. So alright, now the third side, the fourth one. That's it. Screws will not come. So slowly by pulling like this, one screw is stuck further. Now let me remove that. So slowly flux cable will come with the charging board here. So now we can see the battery. This is the reason the battery is bad here. So you can see this is the original battery which I have taken out from this. Now let me show you my batteries. So you can see these are my batteries. These are 100% original batteries. So if you want to buy these batteries, this is bad one. These are fresh batteries. You can see there are so many batteries for sale. If you want to buy this battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. No cash on delivery option available, only prepaid orders. It will be shipped using speed post courier from India Post Office to any part of India, to any pin code. So alright, let me continue. So now I am going to keep this bad battery separately. So I am going to use one of these batteries. So now I am going to use this fresh battery which I have for sale here as well. So just simply we have to, there is a housing here, you can see, just we have to keep it in the housing, that's it, by pushing the wires to the other side. That's it. You can see the battery has been fixed now. Now just we have to reassemble it, that's it. So now I am going to put this bottom part, this charging board here. So slowly I am going to insert this. So after inserting the flex cable, you can see speaker is front, so this will come at the back. So I am rotating simply and placing it properly in the housing. Once it is placed, you can see it is locked now. Nothing can be done, only we have to tighten the screws, 4 screws which I have removed. So I am going to do that. So this is the second screw, the third one, the fourth one. So alright, now this has been completely locked. So that's it. Now we have to fix the motherboard, that's it. Even I have motherboard for sale. If you want to buy this motherboard, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. So alright, now let me connect all these 3 cables. Battery wire should go to battery, and the speaker wire, then the main flux cable here. So let me connect this. So I have connected the flux cable, just I have to lock this. That's it, it is locked. Now I am going to connect the battery. You can see. So the battery connector has been inserted. Now the speaker part is there. So everything is connected. So alright, now let me keep this and put the screws as well. Then I will show you the working functionality here as well. So let me turn off the speaker here.
Powering off.
You can see even the sound is coming, powering off. So alright, just by placing, you can see there is a groove here, both sides. Just position it and it will be just locked. That's it, it will not rotate. Then we have to put the 4 screws which is marked here. You can see these arrow marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So first I am going to install those screws. Alright, now it is completely packed. Just let me check the charging, whether it is still blinking or glowing solid. So I am connecting the charging cable here. So you can see now it is not blinking, it is perfectly charging the speaker. So this is how we can replace the battery. And if you want to buy the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I have lots of batteries for sale, you can see. So these are the batteries which is for sale. Original batteries, very rare to get here in India, and even in the rest of the world also it is very difficult to get. But luckily I have this in this channel, Audio Viz 360. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so that you can always see my videos where you can get these rarest spare parts for sale here as well, and the tutorial as well, how to replace the battery. So fine, now I am going to take off this charging cable and I am going to turn this on.
Powering on.
And I am going to press the Bluetooth button here.
Ready to pair.
So it
Go
is
to
ready.
the pairing menu on your device.
So I am just pairing now.
Connected.
So speaker is connected. Now let me play the quick demo here. So alright, let me play the song. So this is the working functionality of this speaker. So alright, let me put the mesh back to its place simply by positioning. Infinity should come up to this, the Infinity logo should come near this driver, exactly center, and we can slowly that's it. Now we have to put the 4 screws. So that's it. Now I am going to simply, there are 3 buttons here, so these 3 buttons will come like this, and the lock will be closed. That's it. Now I am going to play the song here again. So fine, now it is working. Now I am going to show you the charging functionality finally. You can see now white and red is connected because the speaker is turned on. Now I am going to turn off so that the red, proper red will come.
Powering off.
Now you can see the proper red has come. It is charging. So this is the battery issue. So if you want to buy the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I have original batteries for sale. So these are the original batteries for sale. So it will be shipped using speed post courier. No cash on delivery, only prepaid orders. It can be shipped to any point, any pin code, any part of India. So alright, you can fix it by yourself. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.